Welcome back, YouTube. You tune in with your boy Southern Smoke Boss today. So today, I bet y'all looking, what is Southern Smoke Boss about to make? So today I'm gonna be making a white cheddar macaroni cheese, but I'm gonna be adding in a little couple things to make it really pop out. I got some sun-dried tomatoes, I got some spinach, I got some red onion, and I got 4 blocks of cheddar cheese, and I got some bacon. I cut up some bacon already, and I'm gonna go ahead and stick this in the oven so it can go ahead and get done. So just stay tuned. Let's slide this in. So today, I'm gonna just take and cut these blocks of cheese just enough so I can get it inside of the KitchenAid. Our water's to a boil. We're gonna go ahead and put our elbow noodles in. Stay tuned, you guys. All right, so here I have a half stick of butter. I have a half stick of butter. I'm gonna cut them into cubes. I'm gonna just put this in the macaroni. Gonna put in my 2 eggs, 2 cups of sour cream. Mix it up a little bit. Okay, so I have some red onions here. I'm gonna go ahead and put in there, diced up nice and fine. Get them mixed in. So we can go ahead and start putting in our spinach. All right, so I'm gonna hit it with a little, about a teaspoon of kosher salt. Sprinkle a little black pepper. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start pouring it in my pot. I'm gonna be cooking in the oven, and then I'm gonna just come across with some cheese in there. And I'm gonna throw my bacon in there. Alright, so here we have our final product. It's finally out the oven, man. I can't wait to dig into this. Look how creamy that is, man. It looks amazing. It smells amazing. I wish you guys could try this, man, but sorry, you can't, not today. So Hey, I'd like to thank you guys for tuning in to with your boy Southern Smoke Boss. Hey, drop some comments of some videos that you guys would like to see coming more in the near future. Thanks for tuning in today. Peace out. So y'all, I had already tasted it out, but I had to come back on camera to let y'all know my expression of how good this thing just tastes. My wife, she only eat homemade macaroni and cheese, but she is loving this. Man, the Spanish really brings out, and them onions with that nice crunch is amazing. And then I love that bacon grease in the bottom of the pan. Woo! Hey, man, y'all gotta try this. Hey, hit me up if you want to try this. I can make it for you. Let me know. Peace out.